Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear the system storage on Android. So if your Android phone saying that the system storage is taking too much space, you cannot install apps, text photos, or maybe update your phone. You don't need to worry because in this video, I'm going to show you the safe ways to clear system storage on Android. So what is the system storage? System storage includes Android files, app cache, system data, and also logs. And you cannot delete them. It is the system itself, but you can safely reduce how much space it uses. So the first method, you can clear the app cache. It is very effective. You can just go to the settings and find apps, then click on all apps. In here you can just select an app like maybe Chrome, YouTube, or maybe Instagram. Let's see here. Okay, this one. And then you can just tap on the storage and cache, then choose to clear the cache. So do this for apps that use a lot of space, and it will reduce your system storage. The next method, you can clean storage using Files by Google. First, you need to install Files by Google from the Play Store, and if you already have one, it will look like this. You can just open it and find the options to clean. You can click on the three dots icon, and then here you can just click on clean options. It will help remove junk files, old cache, and also unnecessary system files safely. And the next one, don't forget to update or restart your phone because sometimes the system storage grows because of bugs. You need to check for the system updates. You can click on or go to the settings again, find the system updates, and after that you can just restart your phone. This can automatically clean the temporary system files. But you need to know, you need to avoid using random cleaner apps from unknown developers because they can cause more problems or show ads. So stick to trusted tools and built-in options. So guys, that's how you can clear system storage on Android. If this helped you free up space, give it a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.